Hi guys, good morning. Whew. It's Sunday and it's my day 6. Kalimut ako. Oh my god. I think it's day 6 already. And the sun is up. Grabe, alas 6 na guys. Nautuhan. Nautuhan cause bro, kisog mata akong asma guys. Tika akong dughan. Since yesterday pa ni siya. Mo ni siya one of the reason pa niya nang dili pud ko maka-consistent sa mga workout plans or mga workout goals, fitness goals kay kana kuan mo gud akong asma guys. And by the way, look at my eyes. Hinayog tan-aw gabi K-drama when life gives me tangerines. Grabe, super relate. And muna siya resulta. Grabe. But yeah, I'm doing one round walking, and then after this kay mag-stretching ko na may reklamo si Habs nga mauna po ko na jogging diri. Yan awahay mong stretching, which is dapat daw unang stretching. So yeah, stretching it is. By the way, good morning everybody. Wala pa ko good morning no? Kalimton. Good morning everybody. It is Sunday and I hope nga you will have a well spent Sunday today. So for us, Sunday is a non-negotiable. It's a church day and other church activity. So medyo na siya mong Sunday guys, Sunday routine. So pagdahog nag part of our kanang culture ba. So Hubs is there waiting. I'm just doing one round. I hope you'll have a good day everyone. Wishing you the best today. May the Lord bless you, keep you, guide you and protect you all throughout the day. Nindot mo po ba yung ingon ani nga oras i-jogging kay na adlaw ba? At least kita po tag-adlaw. So yeah, I'll see you later guys. Asa na yung ha? Oh, kasayo ba ni mo? Ha? Wala! Kami nagdag-biskwit kay mag-exercise man. Whew. Whew. Jogging sa my love. Muna may stretching guys. Stretching pa lang gani. Wala. Ikot sana. Apa dyan ido lang ba dato? Ayaw biskuit. Badyaw tinggal ito. Sa mga biskuito na mo aning kabuntagon nga. Bago pa man ng mata. I'll see you later guys. Guys, look at the sun. Ayan na kayo. Look at my face. Kit kayo. I'm going there. Second round pa lang. Third round. Itong pinaka first good. But after sa among stretching, second round. So, the goal is 5. Just 5. Let's go, Mom. Can do this. Oof, look at that. Look at that. Hi, Mr. Sun. Hindi tayo sa panahon, guys. So, how are you guys doing? What's your normal Sunday routine, or should I say Sunday culture, Sunday activities? So me, I already told you it's church day, another church activity. If I like activities, sometimes sing it og mga coffee date, road trip with friends. Ooh, nandito sa view eh. Amazing. Yun ani palang tanong lugar ba? Wag yung baga nga mag-suffer. Fresh air, green environment. Nag-wonder bit ako guys. Ang family sa mother kay asthmatic gid sila. But ako growing up, wala ko ka-experience ng asthma ko katong napako sa probinsya. Marag nag-trigger na lang akong asthma way back like 2017, mga 4 years since ko naabot sa Cebu. So yeah, environment is a great factor sa mga asthmatic people mag-trigger ang asthma, especially kung makasilingan kag smoker, huwag kayo mabuhat because silingan naman mo. So how I wish I'll be living in this kind of environment soon. Ka-realize ka ba? Wala sa akong lips eh. Taka rin magkukuhulbot ang lipstick. Kaya nagdali namin ba? Kaya alas 6, hapit na alas 6 ko nakamata. Actually, I woke up at 5 nya. Kanang snooze ba? 5 pa. Sunday bitaw ron. Okay ra, mga 5:30 magikan. Pag mata 5:49. Woo! Woo! Hubs is there. Love. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Hi, my love.
Ano guys?
Giguyad.
Samot mo na. Tapos ka ko.
Woo! Alay, ginunsak bukton. Abaga. Third round. Guys, I-realize ba? Colorful hindi kong attire kayo. Colorful kayo kong attire karon. Yellow and black, sky blue, orange shoes, orange and gray. Whew! What a fashion. It's third round. Third pa? Fourth. Kalimot mo ko eh. May mga tao. Okay guys, so it's already 6:50 and I think ikalima naman siguro ni nakakalibot. Kalimot ako guys, pero medyo sakit ng init, so I think we're going home. Ulit na kay para makaprepare pa for church. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me in this journey. Inyong pagtanaw guys kay makamotivate sa bayan ako nga magpadayon ko ba kay basin pa lang di ay na ay mga people like na mga people out there nga ma-inspire, ma-motivate to start even just in a simple or in a little way. So yeah, thank you so much again. Thank you so much for watching my videos. You guys mean the world to me. And that's it for today's vlog. I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah? See you tomorrow, you guys. Bye. Have a good day. And God bless you.